Okay, so I just learned something new that you guys probably already have known for years now, but you know, I'm kind of slow that way. I'm here with my grandson Dylan, and he brought his bike, and this bike, it shifts itself according to how fast the wheel is spinning. And I noticed there's a mechanism here. This thing right here, these little piston looking things, they actually extend and push this disc towards the chain, which forces the chain over to the next gear as you accelerate. That's pretty cool. So I wanted to see if I can catch it doing it and play it back in slow motion. So go ahead and spin the wheel and let's see. Keep going, make it go all the way to the end. Yeah. Uh-oh. Hold it steady. Okay, you can see that the chain is shifted over. The disc has pushed the thing, and then as he slows down, you gotta turn the pedal though. You see, and now see how it shifts back. So let's see if I can run that again in slow motion.